Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to make a video to show you how to commence a flash loan on PancakeSwap. I've made one before, but think it's time to update it because a lot have changed on PancakeSwap. We now have the new version of PancakeSwap out, so the code has changed and it's actually gotten a lot better and more precise. So, like always, you want to make sure you have your Metamask extension installed, and you want to make sure you're at of course, the BSC um, blockchain connected there. If you have Metamask extension installed but never installed BNB on it or configured the network for it, I'll make a video on how to do that. I'm sure a lot of you already have done that and have that on there. So this is the video for someone who already has that on there. If not, you can always Google how to install um, the BSC blockchain on Metamask, or connect. I guess you're not really installing, you're just connecting it to there. And you also want to make sure you have some BNB in there. I always try to, this is actually the last one. I just commenced a flash loan, and with the point 0.1 BNB, I made about 15 BNB from it, a little bit over 15 BNB. So we're going to do it again, see if we can do the same thing again. Ever since the volatility in the crypto market has been amazing to flash loan right now. So once we know that's installed, that you have the Metamask extension installed, you're going to want to go to remix.ethereum.org. You're going to come to this page. The file explorer, you can go to this guy little right here, create a new file. We're going to call it my flash loan contract.sol. You want to make sure it ends in .sol. You can call it wherever you really want, but it has to end in .sol. Enter. And I'm going to paste in my flash loan code. Or I think I am. Maybe it's not going to paste in there. Maybe Control V. Okay. Depending on the browser you're using, sometimes you can't do the right button, the right mouse button, and go to paste. You have to actually go Control V to paste into here. So this is the new flash loan code. Make sure this is the code that you have. I'm going to post the link down in the description to the code. I'd like to show everyone the code on, like, visually match the code to the code that I'm sending you the link in case someone copied my video and changed the link and sending you some malicious code or something. So make sure it matches. Doesn't take a lot to flash loan, so should be able to match up the code pretty easy. Then from the File Explorer, we're going to drop down to here to the compiler, and we're in the flash loan code, we're using version 0.50, so you want to make sure you select that. There we go, 0.50. And we're going to go to compile. And if everything goes right, you'll get a green check mark here. Go deploy and run. So then you click down here, deploy and run. And environment, you're going to switch to inject web3. And it should automatically detect your address. Yep, that matches. And now you can go to deploy. Oh, hang on. We need for the contracts, you want to make sure you're clicked onto your Pancake Flash Loan. Because it'll default go to the lending pool protocol, and you don't want to actually publish that. You're publishing your flash loan contract is going to interact with it. So you want to go to, make sure you click on contracts and go to Pancake Swap Flash Loan. And then you're going to come over here and drop this down. And the token string. Now, token string or the token name, you can make up any kind of name. I usually use 3 capital letters. And same with the token symbol, 3 capital letters. And the loan amount. The loan amount's important because that's the amount of money you're borrowing from the lending pool to use for your flash loan. So you want to, I'm going to do around about 0.1 BNB in there for the flash loan. And you're going to have to give it gas. So I'm going to do about 0.07 for my gas. So with that amount, I'm probably going to want to do about 1,500 BNB. I'm going to borrow. And what the token name is, I might as well explain that. The token name, it's going to make a dummy token, and also on the Pancake Swap network, which is going to put in that dummy token and make it look like we're not doing a flash loan, so we don't get blocked by Pancake Swap by doing a flash loan. And the loan amount is the amount we're lending from the lending pool. And then we're going to hit transact. And this is, we're going to have to use some gas to deploy, a little bit of gas to deploy this onto the BSC network, or the B. I think I said that backwards. No, it's a BSC network. Yeah, that's right. So that's actually been deployed. Sorry if I'm rambling. It's early in the morning. I haven't had any coffee. Desperate need for coffee. So when this contract gets deployed, you're going to scroll down here, and it's going to actually have your contract down here. This is actually your contract deployed on the network. So you're the only one that's going to have control of this contract because you're the one who launched it. And when you click on this little button here, you're going to have an action button. First, before we run that action, we have to give our contract some gas to be able to run all the actions is going to run in this. So we're going to go to this little button here and go to copy. I'm going to send it some gas money. And I'm going to send it about 0.07. So once that goes through, let's see. Okay, so that has gone through. We interact with the contract and we send it some gas money. Now we can go to action, and this is actually going to run the flash loan. Go to confirm. And it 3 transactions confirmed. Just wanted to give it like you want to give it maybe about usually about a minute, 2 minutes to run through. Oh my lord. So we went from 0.1 to 4.98. So we made around 4.8, which is not bad. I've had a lot better. I had one worse. The last one I did was off the point 0.1. We actually did a little bit less than 0.1 on it. We actually did 0.07 in gas money. We borrowed. So it was a little bit less than my last one. But that is not bad. That's huge profit, huge gains you can make in a matter of, this one was a matter of seconds. So yes, flash loaning is definitely something that people who need money, want to get away from the average day of going to work every day, can do this once a day. You can do this many times as you want a day. I try to do it not too much so I don't drain the liquidity pool too much. I try to do about once a day, sometimes twice a day. But I'm so financially set now from doing this that I don't have much to worry about anymore. And I hope this helps other people. I've actually had an awesome person show me how to do it, so I figure I might as well help others out. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.